Hi, Kemper.
Hi.
What are we doing today?
That's surprise.
We are going to open, well, Kemper's going to open this Yowie chocolate egg.
What's that? That's. And I have.
And these are actually pretty cool. They have these funny dudes that come in them, but they also have animals that come in them too. And it gives you a flyer with facts about the animal that you get. Okay, let's show them what the chocolate looks like. Hold on. Here's the chocolate. It's like in the face of the Yowie dude.
The Yowie.
Okay, put all the chocolate on here.
It's trying to crack. There's the surprise.
Okay, and here's the surprise inside. Do you want me to open it for you?
Yeah.
Pop.
Whoa,
What'd you get?
I got the types.
Nope. He got...
Uh,
What's this? Do you know what this is?
I don't know.
You don't know what this is?
What's that?
It's a camel.
Camel.
And
That
it's
was
a
so cute.
Bactrian camel, where it has 2 humps. That's
Yes,
cool, huh?
That was very cute.
And here, I'll show you the flyer. And it says, 2-humped herbivore. The Bactrian camel handles its sandy environment with a 3rd eyelid, long eyelashes, and a nostril that closes during sandstorms. It lives in grasslands and steppes of Central Asia. It eats toughest plants and stores fat and water in its humps to survive long periods without supplies. And it's critically endangered in the wild due to habitat loss. So, we actually find these at Safeway.
The puppy song.
You like the poppy song? Kemper.
What's
Woo. But yeah, we find these eggs at our local grocery store.
Okay,
Wait,
I found this.
So that is his chocolate egg surprise opening for today. Thanks for watching.